Next, what is swapation? What is swapation? Meaning, it is an option of an interest rate swap. It's option of interest rate swap. How this interest rate swaps work? Is there? I having a floating interest. I want to go fixed interest. That is swap. So going from floating to fixed is swap. Explain more. In the holder, the right enter into interest rates for a specific date future. The principal amount to save, but the interest may be in a form of fixed and floating. What is fixed? So whole the period this will be rate. Floating is based on the reference rate plus 2% plus 3%. We will increase and decrease the interest rate. This is floating and flexing. This is what swap usually do. That is fixed rate swap and fixed rate receiver swap. Payer swapation and receiver swapation. Payer swapation is I am ready to go for fixed or floating. Receiver also I want to pay. I need a fixed in interest all the time or floating based on the market price. You increase it. So principal feature is it's an option for forward starting interest rate swap. So that is an option. It's happy. No, first you having an option. It's good. The option period refer to time between transaction date and expiry date. So when the contract starts, when the payment end, from the starting date of deposit to the ending date of deposit, this is the period. The swapation premium is expressed in a basic point. What is basic point? Point zero. Then after this points, 4 points you can take 4, 5, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 3. Such kind of basic points or these basic points. Swapation can be cash settles, usually cash settles because whatever the difference, it's settled in cash. It can't be adjusted usually. So that is a basic difference here. Use of area of application, what it can be applied for both active trade as well as corporate treasuries. So I having an usual business, I need fixed floating interest rate, very good. So corporate also will use it usually. It can be used for speculative purpose. Yeah, trading, options and futures you can use. It is useful too for hedging. Hedging. What is hedging? We have discussed already. I want to transfer my risk or reduce my risk. I take it to somewhere. So usually bank hedge their interest because they think they will receive a good amount. So they want to transfer this hedge. They can do. It is, it is useful for the borrowers to target an acceptable borrowing rate. So they may think the borrowing rate may be high or low, so they have some excess money in their account when doing the business. Example, they got a loan and the loan they didn't get an floating loan, that is based upon the principal they don't need to pay, they want to pay an EMI term loan they got, but they have money in their account, they are not willing to go for an fixed deposit. So in the savings account or some kind of current account, there is no interest. They came up with the account there based upon the deposit account, money in the account. It is automatically taken to an FD account. Based on that, floating fixed rate of interest will be unused money will be used by the bank and they will give interest. Such kind of agreement can be made. That is very useful. It is useful for the business to tendering the contracts. Yeah, for contracts they can use it. Provide protection for callable and puttable bonds. It provide a great protection for the callable and puttable bond. I will come up with the answer. Wait a minute. Hey, it's callable and puttable. Call option, buy it. Put option, sell it. So for the futures and option also it will use. That gives a great protection for. So this is where the area where the swapation is very useful. Thank you.